Next one, 30,000 trees are cut down every day to supply the world's toilet paper. 30,000 trees. Is that surprising though? 30,000 is 30,000 a day. Whoa, 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 whoa. A day is crazy. Because where are they finding 30,000 trees? Every day. I mean, yes, the Amazon, is it Amazon? But I mean, that places there have a clone trees. So, yeah, possible. But 30,000 a day, my bro, is 365 days in a year. Times 30,000. Are you nuts? And you know, trees don't take leave. Trees don't have breaks. Trees don't have like sick days. So, yeah. And what's the growth rate of a tree though? Cause like I don't know if I'm correct me if I'm wrong, but it takes like years for a tree to actually grow, to be a or plant. Do you plant a tree, or is a tree that you plant a plant in a tree?